I think many of us had heard about the unfortunate 787 crash today that killed 242 people and are wondering the cause. The most likely cause for the crash was pilot error. You see here in this final clip of the flight that the landing gear were down and the flaps and slats were not. Immediately after takeoff, the captain always gives the command, positive rate, gear up. Most definitely, the co-pilot accidentally raised the flaps instead of the landing gear, and the two were met with a flurry of loud altitude, terrain, and sink rate warnings, triggering a flight or flight reaction. Both of the Dreamliner's General Electric engines were outside of their operational envelope without the flaps and slats on that hot, humid day, leading to the aircraft sinking into an apartment building. Remember, this is just a theory. To support this channel, please like and share this video and be sure to subscribe. You can share your findings and opinions in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to keep the families of the victims in your prayers.